Good Monday! Angelus Brady reminded me of our little vintage 1984 microwave recipe booklet that came with my casserette. I did make the Manhattan clam chowder. It came out pretty good in the microwave. I was tempted to do this barbecue chicken, but really it's just chicken, barbecue sauce, potatoes, and butter. It's minimal. There's some Manhattan clam chowder. We did that one. What caught my attention was meatloaf solitaire. It's a 1 to 2 serving dish, so it's not much. Serves 1 to 2. What I liked is that it's got a bunch of ingredients, and one of them is horseradish. I've never added horseradish to my meatloaf. There's no pepper, there's no Worcestershire sauce, 1 egg. It says a half a pound of ground beef to 1 cup breadcrumbs. That's a lot of breadcrumbs to meat ratio. I decided we're going to use soft breadcrumbs. We ground up some bread in our little handy Oster food chopper. We've got 2 tablespoons of minced onion, 1 tablespoon of minced green pepper, 1 tablespoon of prepared horseradish, 1 tablespoon of catsup. It's spelled C-A-T-S-U-P. Catsup. Half a pound of ground beef. That's not much beef. And a beaten egg. We have to beat this egg before we mix it into the ground beef. Half a teaspoon of dry mustard. Half a teaspoon of salt. It says to form it into a loaf and put it into a 24-ounce oval casserole that you end up putting a lid on when it's done cooking. Our beautiful MC1 holds about 24 ounces of liquid right up to the edge. We're going to use it. All right, let's stop yapping and let's get cooking.
See what you do? 1 beaten egg. We're following the directions. Break up the meat a little bit. Just break it up. 1 beaten egg. Just toss it. Toss it. Oh, oh, ow! Ow! Catsup. That's good. Half a teaspoon of salt. That's a lot of salt. And half a teaspoon of mustard. These are great value breadcrumbs. Makes almost a cup. Look. It's gonna be perfect. 3 slices of bread. That's a cup. 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Holy moly. Whoa. Isn't it right? In a PYREX mixing bowl, toss egg and ground beef. I did. Add remaining ingredients except catsup for topping. We need 2 tablespoons of catsup for the topping. Catsup! Top with catsup. Cook on high 6 to 8 minutes. Oh. 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 Oh, with my mom. You know what? 1 cup is good. Oh, I can smell the horseradish. I've never. Have you put horseradish in meatloaf? Shape it into a loaf. I don't want to mix it too much. I don't want to over mix it. I'm just lightly mixing it all together. Ooh, it looks good. Mustard and horseradish. Alright, I think we're gonna form it. I think the Corning Ware MC1 might be perfect for this. Thank you! You better light spray your pants. Point that out. Hedge our bets. Alright, let's form it into a little loaf. Oh! Maybe we should shape it into an oval since it's supposed to be in an oval shape. You know, it's actually kind of fun. Who knew? It's gonna shrink anyway. Beautiful! 2 tablespoons of ketchup for topping. That's 1. 2. Shape into loaf, place in the Corning Ware. Top with ketchup. Top with ketchup. Why does it look good to me? It does. Beautiful. Beautiful. goes in the microwave. 6 to 8 minutes. How long should we do it for? I missed a spot over here. I don't want to miss a spot. All right. Here you go. Well. Okay, 7 minutes. Dun, 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 dun.
It looks like it's split down the middle. It looks like it has an ass crack. That's an ass crack. Just saying. Oh, here we go. Wow. Interesting. Before we put the lid on, see if it's 165. Oh yeah, it's 183. Let's stand 5 minutes.
It has been 5 minutes. Hey. It really doesn't look that bad. I mean, we've got the ass crack thing happening. There's an ass crack. A little toasty on the sides there. Toasty catsup. Catsup. Let's get it onto a plate. Hey, hot. Not hot anymore. It's solid. That is a lot for one serving. I could see that being 2 servings. Move this. Hi. Oh, wow. It's not hot at all. It's so much easier to slice once it's cooled and you can reheat it. Here we go. First slice. Hi. You know what? It looks like meatloaf. Oh! This could totally be 2 servings. So that's cool. You taste a bite of this? Let's try it! It looks really tender. Of course, there's so much breadcrumb to meat. The green peppers look cooked. The onions look cooked. Let's try it. Here we go. It tastes really good. It's a little mushy. Flavor is really good. It's a little mushy. Maybe less breadcrumbs. Let's try this piece. What's it called? Corning Ware Microwave Plus. Oh. So hard to remember. Corning Ware Microwave Plus. Meatloaf Solitaire, 1984. Wow. Has very good flavor. I don't think it needs any salt. That was a lot of salt. Let's take another bite. It's not chewy. Maybe it was too much egg. That was a lot of egg for half a pound. Maybe half the egg. It totally tastes like meatloaf. And it's totally cooked. Wow. 8-minute meatloaf. 7-minute meatloaf. That's not bad. I think the ratios, would it have been different if I used dry breadcrumbs or less egg? Okay, one more bite. Final bite for now. It might be too much salt. Maybe just a little less than half a teaspoon of salt. It's certainly cooked all the way through in 7 minutes. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.